Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Jingïakhih pakhang surok National Highway 6 balakot penlong daga Joint Action Committee jong kedong Umkiang hapo ke Ïaka narpo kala poi sya kasngi ke balai haga baki ba kathan kila paharai ke surok baro sisngi shimin kini Jingïakhih kala wanra ke jing sange ke yat ke yang jong kali motor ke balakta ya ke jela jong kathan sitela mingi nado ke jela Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur bat ke jela Meghalaya. Kini Jingïakhih kala sedang nado ke step kat kendai trik ujeliu arajar arpusau ban penbor ya ke sorkar ban maramot ya ke surok ba National Highway 6 ke bam ikop syu ban yo ya ke kerdan National Highway namar bakala jot rathai bat ke badap bagi thleu kisar bat ke babuk jing maru ya ke yat ke yang jong breu bat ki kali motor kat bahaga arpuai trik ujeliu ke Additional Magistrate jong ke East Jingïakhih ke kong JU Kharpuri haka arpo trik ujeliu kala Hiar sya ke snong Umkiang ban yekendo yekinong elam ke Joint Action Committee ban kentu yeki ban Weng no yek Jingïakhih pakhang surok ke baklem bu por namar ke surok ba National Highway 6 kadai ke papnya sok bat kiwai pat ki jela kum ke Assam, Mizoram, Tripura bat Manipur. Henry ni kaliang ke JAC ke la kentat mardo de ke jing kentu de ke ba ongkat ba kana hai kampat la ban maramot bat pendap mau yek thleu kisar nado tongseng hado malidor ke Jingïakhih ban pakhang surok kan yai beteng beng. Uchairman jong ke Joint Action Committee ba lasting palau laong kene ke isu kamde ke batmai lada shimkia ke sorkar ne ka nahai kanam jia ko malong menta hadu ba ke surok kan jot rathai bat dap tang de ki thleu kisar. Hagawai pat kaliang ke National Highway Authority of India ka arpuai trik ujeliu kala kam bakala sedang ban maramat ya ke surok ba National Highway 6 dah ke bapendap ya ki thleu kisar ban kamsuk ki kalimator ban yat ban yang.
Di kawai kalong kini isu long na kaliang jong sa sisi kaliang jong office isu ko ako tak depan nama pagkati kami ka di hang jong kini kali mo bakal di lo kami kalakta maka di interstate mo di kalakta ni ko ida jelas ala kita di kaniru kami ni kada ta NGA ka balong kamo kada so tom marwa trap maro na siya tay la dom Kishnong siya tayo silang niyos mo bukila ya chuyên sản phẩm long cầm long kabala long kapin buku tama katakan yang
su bakani ka jeng ka bulum jong kan napi si bara ko ngre ngimban si i ga don tin ka bong ka ban si ka thom ya ka sang ade kan ni iki bo ki jing ngat iwe pati jila ngre ngim ka tu national no la pula don ka jing kan ka sulok kan jang kan bit no ngre hati ka tu kan ni i bakin kam don respond ai namar bakam don respond ai ngi haban simbiang sakawe pat sinjang ban le biang ya kan ni strike nang ba sulok ni yo i madam lagangin Weng ya kan ni strike pat ba ubabon pat tunang strike jong kamde ke strike jong kirang basno kade ke strike jong pat ba.
The contractor has appointed since 23rd March 2024. We have completed approx 10 kilometer of the stretch with TBM and TC.
Where is that? I don't see any.
In Lumsnong area. Okay, 10 kilometer we have covered.
Okay.
And rest one, since the monsoon has arrived earlier, I think, so the work has hampered due to that. And we, I think next 2 months will continue, the rainy season will continue to do the bituminous work, means black. But actually we are, yeah ma'am, but
I don't see anything.
no ma'am, I think daily 20 dumpers are consuming, we are consuming 20 dumpers.
Oh, I don't see anything. I'm
No,
telling you. I'm telling I have traveled by myself
Yes,
just now.
ma'am, that's fine.
Being a woman,
Yes.
especially, I'm thinking about the plight of these women.
Ma'am.
You know how women will be traveling,
No, I
especially
just came.
those who are sick and So I do not see anything. So we have to go join.
Yes, yes ma'am, I'm
You
sure.
have to show me where you have done.
Yes. Small aggregate. I think it will take 4 days.
4 days.
3 to 4 days. Maximum 4 days, but we will try to complete prior to that.
Because Sir DC has specifically instructed me
Yes.
to come here and inspect by myself
Yes. Yes.
and give a report to him. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So
yes.
what, as far as my eyes have seen, as far as that I have traveled, I haven't seen anything done.
I think so, you ma'am. 3 to 4 locations where continuously dumpers are coming and dumping all the boulders and all these things, and machinery are there. They are spreading and compacting.
Okay, so you have to show me that
Yes,
one.
yes, yes.
Okay,
While
because
returning, we'll show you. Yeah, while returning,
see.
we'll show you.
And like, which places, from which place you have started?
No, no. From we have yesterday we have completed up to Mandir area, up to Mandir. But I think 2 to 3.
Up to Mandir?
Yeah.
You have completed?
Yes, yes.
But it's so bad, yeah. I traveled just
No,
now.
because that smoothness cannot be achieved without laying of the blacktop.
Something that will be, something that the road that one truck will pass, you know,
Yes,
and
ma'am. Yes,
how many trucks per day do you know that? Because your road should be as per, huh? So just imagine 2,000 trucks.
Yeah.
So whatever you have laid down, what I am seeing now, it's like it's not, no work has been done.
No, it's going because of
No,
the.
don't fool me around, okay? Don't fool me around. I know. If I don't see what I see, is what I believe.
Yes.
So I know that. Okay. So don't tell me that you have done this and the road that I have traveled just now, you said till Monday. I am not sure that you have done that road. So bad. So you will have to take me.
Yes.
I'll see.
Yes,
I'll
yes,
see.
yes, sure,
Okay, because
sure.
I'll take photos and I'll
Yes.
to service. Okay.
Yes.
So, but please take. This is the flight of not only of 1 or 2 persons. This is the many. How can you know? 14 villages. 14 villages. People are. You understand? They are disheartened with the condition of the work on this road, and they have to use this road for various purposes. So you have to take very, very strict measures. Okay, that the contractor will have to complete. So how is the contractor, like he's doing his work?
Yeah. Dhar construction.
That's what, like, he's doing his work. He's implementing as per your directions and all.
Yes.
He's doing that.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll go and check.
Yeah.
With me also, then we'll see.
Yes.
Wherever you said that you have done, I'll give some proof to DC. Because Sir DC, he wants proof. Huh?
Yes.
He wants proof of every part of the road that you have constructed, where you have repaired.
Yes.
Okay, so your repairing also should not be something that 4,000 trucks, the moment 4,000 trucks comes, means the entire road is washed away. Okay, plus monsoon. One is monsoon, one is the passing of trucks. You understand, no?
Yes.
So you have to look into this properly. Okay, that the road you should not just do it for the sake of doing it.
Yes.
Okay, you have to do it for the sake that the road will still be there. Okay, at least till the end of monsoon.
Yes.
Then after monsoon, we'll start the normal.
Yeah. We'll do the concrete work.
Long dala, mentalong bakas. Okay. Dala kan.
Nagaling yung nirong suso pa kanya ka for kami ka for kabit pan le ya ka black to. Siyempre at least inyo iking bakin ini kibala long view pala. Ikindak na borda. Adin pa tin ay na pichip. Long kandong smooth king bang jadi kan. Ande ban ay hadu ka black to.
Ada beraya madam mau bisa boleh madam kawan ini punya ilan mat dan ada milik ada monitor punya dak Hima masuk kita di kremong bah saya ingin dia dikum ke guna ilam sedang ada rumah yang itu kondisi manjusi kita ke bagi kepada ini tunjuk ni pesnya bangi kumbang ni ya rai nomor amde rajing pai ba mo lada ki kila ban pun marma ado po yang monitor bande hama ong de taro deu do chip up dar lada ki la ado monitor te ngin beng dala de lada kumwan ngin beng mada mo kumdan kaman punya tang sukun ini ngin la beng mar kani ding e ding de badang pemai te da mangi keren kini haba pun itu engineer kim risik pun itu dar company risik kim de ni kum ngilam haba ngi pun gede berisik ma ang kita kim krisnet te kata kadau ni bapa jaga inang salang ni bok ladang keren mangi temelukin keren suknan ok kira kira nok certify mo gajing surok kata nilang gani tengi lada ni sing thai ban song surok ni bai kan no arsila sing lai song tang kamban si kata lada kila ban pendep kuloi ini ada ingin ingin kuar ban pan sistem ya kili mo mangi satu ada sistem ini dan kam makin pendep nok kuloi lada pendep kuloi dulu tasara kumbangi la keren tadi wing da pinggan matang wing kita pun sarwa jadi pun tinggi la wing te I press tu la
Rồi ngày mong mà chẳng thì cái liêng dùng ini kuat bahkan yang kumini Andre mano ba pun bor yang ibangi song kumini di ko mình cái jimbam simke jong ko naman la yak thai si thai baru aduh di minister pa pun to song ba de surok ila yawan gini ginong yalam song kila dondo ke jing kular pada din kata nama bikin train long no da strike one surgery wong to when no in strike train no sedang no kung kipay ba kiba pun ko ya lede hakibo sokap ipun ko ngong ni weng no ya strike namang idon ke jing kermen bakat additional la kular mo ang long be kata ndre kam ulong ketung ke jing kemit nanti kata daw ni khad yang ke jing yalang berkat baik ba ulah ya thai la bitar wong pelong ya kata ini strike nang ba kesokarkan disko iyo dan lagi lagi sniu dong
kata pilih kita menjual medang
setelah sekemaru kaju te ya mentahi ingin bat baik ka eka rai ka banglara kat ba ngin par yo I bak sokar te mentah ngadang sukuli na kini gerambak senong sete wong kila ya tre kumno yang kisupre tangga kisubrek da ka khendeo banja umau ubun khende katale ka banang tu susu yang susu एक कभा बकिन इंस्ट्रक itu bakin tray bha bu bega ki boulders tiba unta sabret nang kan lang smooth kan tiba nada hakan ni ko kom ka bakin tray kan nang tun bitar susu kena kata ka nang ban like na ka jing yung ipa ba pa piro ki ba bat ya ka ding season pinsuk lada kini ki don pila yo I dan lagi skor ni na kaliang jong ni kerpat isi ong ki bakin pun kloy ban trader kenang ba nyir ngin ban kloy tadi ka strike lada kim padep ban tray complete nadu hadu malidot minum la strike
Kamut dah. Bu pe ka strike hadu
Hadu, pay madam. Na pay ba ngayon ina ka force ka por. Tapi ang bangin weng ka strike kim tray, kim yo sika ban tray. Namari ki kali gila bon pala. Satang ki block ba anda kani ka serok nasional highway kan denggali. Kandang bijing jam kali. Nang tao uniu kontraktor le kani kan hai kan tray. Kan yo lat ban tray.
Em ko long kumni te nakaliang jong usar bisi la hinbek ba kanu ko benta jong surok hapor kasna kamut siliang on pelat siliang on hap le benta markani ka surok kan khang te kamlong te namar ba kamsu ya hap namar kani ka surok kamdei tang kundan kam mangi ki mo ki kundan kam ki wei pa ki jela ki turuk mesti ki don kam ban
Kata madam, nga gani nganong diyan jom na. Kata pi ki besong stay dan besong stay kim yo I kemat kai cile ko mai mat ki beron sene. Tangi na kiliang jongi ide pembaik ila de pembaik. Naga komiti jongi naga jingilang jongi haba chwa bang sim ni kani karai. Kat bampat det ban maramat yo lur sarok tak adu ban depoi hacing ke melidor. Dalai lengin nomba. Dia kata ngangang krisai.
kata jingnya katu ini lamat dia frasi blok ni tajung apa orang imat benar silik ini frasi blok ni dia jingnya ibu bopang bukan lah bukan mesin dawai ikam tam bukan klimak ba armer bukan lah bukan mesin dawai kiba li hospital kumba shooter lada kita jingnya ingin sisi mau nasional highway tu mah nambangi ledangi nyinyi ba syong ni ngilak kita jingnya kita kira lada ngilak jingnya ngapan ya syak salah
Kan kawai pada kalong ba kami kasurok ka ba omdei tang ba kaya tang ibrio ru mo ndrei pe kimar ki badon kap ki marbam ya yang ni te kami ka petrol mo kami ka umkiang kaya yang ni itu lah
sasar di sini
madam ini mo lada ka dei hi kasurok ingin nang jin dala kang Hindi bang iyo ikam di kita suruh. Ngikwa balay niya siyang gumni ngikwa bakan long sulok. Madam, naong long sulok teman-teman itu lagi.
So how much time till Malidor you that 3-4 days is still Malidor?
I think 3 days, up to 3 days it will be completed.
3 days.
Yeah. 3 days is okay.
But what so now like what I'm seeing is that and the way the type of repairing also should not be only by all like that. It should be properly done.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are doing big boulder, first laying boulder, then above that one we are having that a small aggregate, 40 mm, 20 mm.
No, but
We
the
are
thing
doing
is
chip.
that they are saying that if you pour chips or something also, once the truck gets on it, no, so all that is like gone.
No, because we are giving as a base boulder.
There's nothing that you can plaster or something after you have done all of that. You just plaster like that.
What is the bitumen work, other than whichever the binding material, that quantity we are using in this monsoon rainy season. So proper work we can be resumed after September, but till that, the big pothole, which are the big pothole, already we used, earlier we, yes, for emergency we use some sand or alternative element, but now we are bringing the material from our cassar, stone cassar. So our cassar also due to rain, there is all the process and damages. So we are trying to get repaired and restored within the next 2 days. In the meanwhile, we are procuring the material from other sources, other cassar stones. So we are planning, our people are working very hard. So we are trying our best level to at least the big portal can be filled within the next 3 days. Thereafter, we will try to restore with WM by bitumen asphalt if we get the good weather.
Okay.
And the main work, whichever the main work, DBM, BC, that will be started after September. That you can understand.
Yes, I understand that one, but at least they are also willing that you do a good repair work. They want a good repair work. Okay, at least suitable enough for people to travel. Okay, because this road doesn't look like a road anymore as per their grievances. Okay,
Right.
it doesn't look like a road. It's almost like passing through some forest or something like that. Okay, so you'll have to ensure that 6 days you need.
Not 6 days, 3 days for filling the big pothole.
Okay.
Big pothole.
Big potholes.
So that heavy vehicle or others vehicle can be fly smoothly.
Yes.
Then we'll take up the small pothole.
Okay.
Now,
3 days is only
for the
only for
big
big
potholes.
potholes.
For big potholes. Always in this time I was standing the side there with my people. So I asked them to lift the small pothole because we have to restore immediately the big pothole where the accident prone area is.
Yes. Thì khi ông dân sang cho đã làm như cái phiêu thì hệ thì bà lại khăm nhiều thì năng tu kinh say sai khi cái phiêu thì bà khăm rị thì khi năng sang cho là station này thì khi sawan terter kum ni thì pinahapan ay por ni namat sa bakawan siwan ka slam
Em ka bahaya bikin tray hakani ka por ka bangidang yasong sulok ni bang kali. Ang punsog yaki.
em tabalong
Kalong ka jingira po yakiro.
kajing terpat na kaliang jong ka district administration kaliang bisi balong ba kani kasurok kadi kasurok kabadon kamti ada pidang la bani ya weng ya kani da pidang la ba kinya suhu lang bani tray lang naman na kaliang bisi wong ba ipulit un sabu ban pek ya kani ki officer un sabu hi ban one pek kari ya kata kajing pentri kam jong ti mo
Em madam nga nakaliyang jong nga ay kung skutri jong ka jesi. Nga nga ang kabha ba pinyasa sa ong yung kisi pinyasa damat ni. Kena dalam kumne bangin bari gili. Kine kinong kre ki kamploy kamster. Tanda gila dep pentre ya gane. Kata kumbala ong ni serman balong bakso ni. Ye lare pi kawan siniru gila weng lepa gane. Pada kali gila mentala pun lagi kali. Dale impossible. Jam traffic bat gili dong tre kimla cuma.
hakaching long nong kit pilong kit nong dai me to udisi udah nong kit ke district sementara kini kitrok ki kali baro om kala sementara nakasnong jong kila alai mo kini kisnong jong kila alai sementara pat kisa hut check te kisnong jong ki wei pe sekaniru kala peni itu ka komplain ko
Te kamli le. Kita ki basa sate hakajing
Kemud harga kisu penapa non Triang tu. Ni pas sini ni mat ki jing'e lekat nu benai, kat nu snap. Harga ki kayu nanti di kendai nanti. Iya ke jing jenjar ni ndak besu.
Ini siapa?
Madam kumbe dak kuwe mo ngin kali jo. Kani ki benai baro sebenarnya mudon slap, mudon leer, mudon pria. Benar demo temo kini ki kia mai kini pada. Oh kini yo kia, kada ni keren yo mudon masnap. Andang ini ki kini romba senong itu kita ki na di kia. Kita kan nong kim romba senong. Ni lah sim ya gerai dah minta jumlah long pai ba. Mang ni ele ya kene kam ni strike ni minta jong pai ba. Kade di minta jong diburu. Bro celenter na minta kita diburu na Mizoram no baca bar jong state jong ni dia minta jong gitir. Udang kong di minta jong ni ka baar di minta jong ki. Minta ni lah sim ya gerai bangin bakin marmot adu bakin amde bangi ong makin le do. Baro yo tu bari beria mau tu krem beria, kitlu beria. Lekin dia gitu gi behek so gitu liu. Tanda ada gitu behek te gitu beri selek ke dia. Inde bingin om bakin lek be bara gitu beri ki bama. Yang bakin lek so gitu behek do pom leader. Jadi nak tu pom leader tu behek ingin selipet ingin saya pelak ki ta strike. Te gitu beri tikin lek ke dia. To nak ada tangga tai ngi dia jangan yang Jerman. Asal tangga tai. Kemarin ingin menton jingbut sudah kiwe. Kan ayat kima. Kalau dangin Weng mencari ki paiba ni bara gila ki bitar dengan margane di surjung paiba. Ini kumbu tanjung tar bara. Wei. Jing'i mungkin bersengap. Mo andang lele kumne kisul kundu tadi senong wei kundu jing'i tang belum melaki la sedang menperta. Jadi dam ki pulit nendu baksa nen triste. Jadi daliang sarkar ki dengan pa security ki namarngi daliang ki kum petrol kum diesel kum pa o balap pun sarwar jiri ngau cerman di ben pelai. Ini la pelai du menin ni bro kita ngila pelai ki gas. Ni pelai. Dese ban ong bangin pun hun be ya kita jingko jangan ya kini ki en hai tinggi nyimlang ni ong be ya jing la mar liang ga liang bisin ngiti par kini por balde pinta be ki tambak liang ki king snap yo war yang bisin ngatra kim king beda ki guram yo sarwar jiri kumba ula bathai ki ilele andre kim sem lo guram de kata kadau kene kade kamram di kum pai ba namar kade risun sa pai ba ni kum ki ba mar ya ki ngir ngidon ko ha mo namar pai ba du sarkar mo de kata kadau madam ngi de liang jongi de oi kata ka an kadang kata ka an mo tang ba ka an ro kam sem mo nga an ban penyap ini ki badawa lagi jong ko ha telada ka an ka sa ban pen sitom ini habangi dewa lagi jong ko ha we are ready am le Tang dah benta jong pai ba.
Cerman burang burung. Kumba kena makan kot no kena jingkren ka jus sejo. Kumba kila batai lai singi ken singai ko to behe. Te mat ka hadin data lai singi ken singai to barit. Te ya ka kam kumba la kren kena ngpa tim pelai no ya ko to strike hadin balan dat ya ka kata lebih.
Kawai kalau nakaliang jongi nakaliang jong stik administration ba bisi ni ai kata ka jingke klik iki mangir intim klik hendak nak menang ni syahmat ni dapat ha no ya ke jingtrei jong gini bakil pendak yang penting kenapa kini kin pendak ni kita ba kani kan yarap ikiru sibut teng impak kan ka jingtrei lang nak yang jong kiru namal impak kita bangini aja kaan ngilek kita ki mo namar ni nakaliang kini la suku tu ba kasurak kadai ka wei mo ka kalimti mo kalau belum jong ipat ba ibril ini ai kelang kasurak ru balai ba naman ta ipat ba si syuku ayat tang daka pau daka takam ni ru pa ikini bakin pau no daka